Hello everyone, welcome to IT Horizon. So in today's video, we'll be talking about what is automatic invoice in Odoo 90. In Odoo, the purpose of automatic invoice is to automatically generate customer invoices from sales orders or other transactions without needing to create them manually each time. Let's move on to the sales module. And from the configuration settings, enable the automatic invoices, online payment, and online signature to manage with the automatic invoice with a request of customer signature and a request of the payment. Once everything is done, you can move on to the orders and choose quotation. Upon clicking on New, this would allow you to choose or create a quotation where you can fill out the details of the customer. Once it's been set, you can fill out the details of the product. Upon clicking on Add, you can easily add the product over here. So choose it and save the changes that you have made in the quotation. Once everything is done, you can click on Send so that the quotation will be moving from quotation to quotation sent. And you can easily send the quotation to the customer. So if the customer wish to buy a certain item, he can just purchase the item from the portal. Now, when the customer move on to the portal, here you can see that the number of quotations to review will be upgraded. Here you can see the number of quotations to review. Click on it and choose the quotation. After choosing it, you can click on Sign and Pay. So this would allow you to validate the order upon setting the accepting and signing, which means you can set the payment and signature. Once everything is done, you can see that you'll be confirming the order, and if you want to skip this, you can skip that. So here you can see your payment has been processed and you have made a sale order. So you can also just get all the reports from here. Now let's move on to the sales order. So upon moving on to the sales order, here you can see that the quotation sent is being moved to the sale order. And here you can see that Odoo automatically creates an invoice based on the order line. So when you just move on to the invoices, here you can see that the invoice is in payment state, and after the reconciliation, the payment will be moving to the bank. So that's all about the automatic invoice of Odoo 19. So thank you for watching the video.